first of all, we learned in the previous class a database. We introduce a new chapter, database. What is the meaning of database? What? Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice is coming very low.
Okay. Now it's proper. Still low.
No, ma'am, it's just like that only.
Okay, but I will be trying my best one, but I don't know why my voice in your class only came low, because I'm taking the continuous classes from early morning. But students are not complaining for that also. Maybe it's a 12, so that's why my voice will be low. Okay, please try to cooperate with me. Database, what is the database? It's a collection of data in form of, it will be came always in form of table. It's a came in the rows and columns. Then we learn about the database management system. That is some of the software used to manage the database. Example, OpenOffice, Microsoft Access, SQL. What is the OpenOffice base? Simply, we are learning two applications previous years. First is OpenOffice Writer, same as MS Word, and MS Excel. It's like OpenOffice CLC. Now, third application we are introducing for the OpenOffice, that is OpenOffice base, that is used to create a database. What way it will be provide the tables, queries, forms, and reports. One thing, remember, we are going to create a database, some of the data storage. So it will be always coming from a table. So OpenOffice always create a tables in such criteria. Then the element of the database, tables. First, we are going to create. Second is the record.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming.
Ma'am, your voice is cutting.
Maybe there will be a my side network issue, I think. I don't understand what will be happening in your class every day. Okay, so please mute everyone. I'm hoping that my voice will be came clearly to you. Okay, what is the meaning of record? Record means a rows. It contains the information for the particular. जैसे अगर आप अपना टेबल बना रहे हो, your name, your school name, your roll number, your class, everything will be in a one row. So that is called the records. What is the meaning of field? For example, whenever you are writing a name, the name is a particular field. It's a column, means a field. Now, we are going to learn today how to create a database, how to create tables in OpenOffice base. Okay. Firstly, I am going to open the OpenOffice base. I already download OpenOffice.
Sorry, 3 पर कर दो. Sorry.
So this is the screen of OpenOffice. So you can see the option of database over here. You have to be click on there. Whenever you open this one, you can see a one pop-up box of database wizard. What is the name of this pop-up box? That is a database wizard. First step that you have to select a database. अगर आपने previously select कर दिया हो database या फिर आपने कोई database create करना हो किया हो, उसके अंदर ही आपको editing करनी हो, तो उसके लिए आप यहाँ पे open an existing database file करोगे. But अभी आप first create कर रहे हो, so you have to click on a create a new database. You have to go ahead. Do you want to रजिस्टर इन अगर आपको रजिस्ट्रेशन करना हो OpenOffice में तो आप कर सकते हो. I don't want to register, so I will click on now. You have to be finished. whenever you click on the finish, जब भी हम कोई भी document बनाते हैं, whenever we are creating any of the document, it will be firstly open. We are doing the editing in it, and then we will be saving. But whenever you create the database, first it will be saved, and then it will be start creating the database. I am writing the name here, database 1. Choice of your name, save. So it will be open. Okay, so you can see here the database 1 already saved. You can see the 4 options as we learn the elements of database: tables, queries, forms, and report. Table means कौन से डेटा आपको इंसर्ट करने हैं. क्वेरीज में क्या आएगा, जो भी क्राइटेरिया रखना है आपको, whatever criteria you want to insert and whatever you want to display, that thing will be in the queries. Forms, whenever you want to show the designed view of your table, that time you have to click on the forms. And if you want to print your database, you have to click on the report. Firstly, you have, for creating the database, firstly you have to click on the data tables. Okay, so there is some installation is missing for in my laptop of Java. So that's why it will be not open the tables. But today we will be learn about the theoretical part, because आपको टेबल बनाने से पहले सीखना पड़ेगा कि क्या क्या होता है. Then you have to be start. Already everyone know about the how to create a table. But whenever you start creating a table, all the stats already given in the textbook, so you can see that whenever the table will be opened, the window of table is like this. आप window देख सकते हो कि table किस तरह से दिखेगा. There are the 3 columns in the table. First is the field name, second is the field type, and third is the description. Description is always not compulsory. It's optional. 3 columns are there. First is the field name, second is the field type, third is the description. What you have to write in the field name? For example, अगर आप अपना टेबल बना रहे हो, name, roll number, then the school name or date of birth, address, that all things will be considered as a field name. For example, आपने field name में first लिखा है name. So what is the field type? Field name, जब भी आप name लिखोगे वो कौन से फॉर्म में आएगा? It will be a text or the number. वो text होगा कि number होगा? आप जब अपना नाम लिख रहे हो, it is on the text or in the number. Students, I am asking to you, whenever you are writing your name, आप जब आप अपना नाम लिख रहे हो, तो वो टेक्स्ट फॉर्म में आ रहा है कि नंबर फॉर्म में आ रहा है?
Text form.
It will be always came in the text form. Why? Because आप लिखोगे, you are using the alphabet whenever you are writing your name. So what is the meaning of field type? कि field name जो होगा वो कौन से टाइप का आएगा? जैसे कि आपने name के लिए बोला, it will be always came in the text. Now I want to ask you, whenever you are writing your date of birth और roll number, जब आप अपना roll number लिख रहे हो, जैसे आप अभी 8 में हो, 801, 802, 803, etc. What is the field type of roll number? What is the field type of roll number? आप आपका रोल नंबर किस में आएगा, टेक्स्ट होगा कि नंबर होगा? Number, definitely. So like that, we already will learn one thing in the Python on the previous year, that is a data type. First way to create a table in the OpenOffice base, that is the design view. First, to create a table, you have to know about the data type. What is the meaning of data type? Already you know about the data type that you learn in the Python also. It is the, what is the data type? It is select to specify the data that can enter for the record. जैसे अभी आपने बोला कि नेम जो होगा ऑलवेज टेक्स्ट फॉर्म में आएगा.
Ma'am, I have downloaded my OpenOffice base, but it's not opening, ma'am.
Because you have to also download the Java to use the OpenOffice. I also
Ma'am, your voice is
forgot to download the Java installation for my CLC also.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Can I install Java?
Directly search Java installation on the phone. Okay. So then for the text, for the roll number, you say always it will be came in the number form. It's a numerical value. Whenever you are writing your date of birth, it will be maybe on the form of date always. वो date की ही date का ही type होगा. So yeah, let's learn about the data types. First is the text, जो हम अभी आपने बोला कि our name is always came in the text form. There are the two type of text came in the data type for the OpenOffice base. First is the text fix. What is the meaning of fix? Fix का मतलब क्या होता है? Anyone? What is the meaning of fix? फिक्स का मतलब क्या होगा? फिक्स का मतलब क्या है? फिक्स का मतलब फिक्स कर देना, इससे ज्यादा या कम नहीं होगा. Okay, so text fix, what is the meaning? What is the data type meaning of text fix? It is meaning that the characters of type of data is fixed. जैसे कि आपको 7 कैरेक्टर्स ही लेने हैं, 8 कैरेक्टर्स ही लेने हैं, उससे ज्यादा आप नहीं लिख सकते हो, like that. So what is the text fix? It is used for the fields that contain the text or a combination of text and numbers having a fixed number of characters. Here is the example of given product code. जैसे आप कोई प्रोडक्ट कोड लिख रहे हो तो उसका कोड के जो नंबर होते हैं 7 characters, 8 characters are fixed. So that text fix is used for the fixed number of characters. Second is the text default. It is used for the field having a text or a combination of text and numbers that do not require the calculation. जितने भी लिखने हो लिख सकते हो, कंपलसरी नहीं होता. जब भी आप एड्रेस लिखते हो, किसी का बहुत कम होता है. Some of the students are writing only the Mahavir Nagar. Some of the students are writing the full address near this road, highway, and etc. Yes, Rutvi?
So, ma'am, we cannot write more characters in this text fix.
No. In the text fix, the number of characters are fixed. ज़्यादा आप नहीं लिख सकते हो.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, number. What is the number? जैसा आपने बोला कि हमारा रोल नंबर जो होता है वो always number में ही आएगा. So that numeric data used in the mathematical calculation. Integer, number to which auto value can be applied. जहाँ जो भी आप लिखोगे उसको as a number count करेगा. Integer and number both are look like the same. Then date and time. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डेट टाइम? जब आप डेट ऑफ बर्थ लिख रहे हो उसके लिए आपको डेट एंड टाइम डेटा टाइप का यूज करना है. लास्ट, yes, no. Yes, no values and fields that contain only one of two values. मतलब आपको आउटपुट दिखाएगा yes और no में, true और false या फिर on या off में. That time it's a some time of criteria जैसे if function होता था like that. Okay, so creating a database already हमने सीख लिया किस तरह से database create करना है, open कैसे करना है, how to open the database. We have to be open the database. These are create a new database, go to the next, save the process, write down the name of your database and finish. Now क्रिएटिंग अ टेबल सिंपली अभी हमने देखा, अभी मेरे जावा इंस्टॉल नहीं है, इसकी वजह से मेरा बेस ओपन नहीं हो रहा है. आई एम ट्राइंग अ वन मोर. ऑलरेडी आई ओपन इट, not opening that. It's a required Java runtime environment to perform this task. So if you download the database, you have to also download this environment, Java runtime environment. So I request to every student, whenever you are download the OpenOffice, with it download the JRE and restart the OpenOffice again. Okay, again I'm clicking on that. So let's go. It's not established. Okay, so I will be check it and I will be doing show the next time practical. But today we learn only the theoretical. So tomorrow we will be do only the practical. How to create a table? Simply अभी हमने देखा जब आप table बनाओगे, it will be show the field name, field type, and whenever you start creating table, it will be asked for the table name, and by default it will be saved as a table one. अगर आपको change नहीं करना हो तो मत करो, it will be already saved. Now, what you have to write down in the field name? जैसे आप टेबल बना रहे हो तो उसके लिए आपको लिखना पड़ेगा रोल नंबर, नेम. यू आर मेकिंग द स्टूडेंट टेबल, सो रोल नंबर, नेम, then the phone number, date of birth, address, etc. and field type आपको according to the field name choose करनी पड़ेगी. You can see here, whenever you click on the table, there are the three options will be in front of you. Click on the create a table in the design view. Then you can see here, first is written GR number, first name, last name, date of birth, contact number. यहाँ पे एक सिंपल एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग ही फील्ड टाइप चूज की हुई है, फील्ड टाइप अपने आप आ जाएगी. नाउ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, व्हेनेवर यू क्रिएट अ टेबल, डेटाबेस का मतलब क्या होता है? डेटा को एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट करना. For that, for example, you are here, I am creating this student record. I want to create a one more table that is for the student purpose only, जिसका यूज करके मैं स्टूडेंट की सारी डिटेल निकाल सकूं. For that, you have to create a primary key. यहाँ पे जब आप राइट क्लिक करोगे, ये जो ग्रीन एरो दिख रहा है उस पर राइट क्लिक करोगे तो ये 5 ऑप्शंस आएंगे जिसमें से आपको क्लिक करना है प्राइमरी की. What is the meaning of primary key? It is a one field whose value uniquely identify each record in the table. जब भी आप GR नंबर या फिर यहाँ पर रजिस्टर नंबर का एग्जांपल दिया हुआ है एंटर करोगे तो उसकी सारी डिटेल जो टेबल में होगी वो सारी आपको डिस्प्ले हो जाएगी. It does not allow the blank value. I request every student, please understood what is the meaning of primary key, because whenever you create the database, this is the most important part of table. It is, and sometimes it's a most important topic also, so it will be asked in exam also for the theoretical. It is also used to relate the table to other tables. आप एक प्राइमरी की जब आप बना रहे हो उसको आप दूसरे टेबल से भी कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, दूसरे टेबल का भी डेटा इंसर्ट To make or remove a field as a primary key, right click on the field or selected field and click on the primary key button. आपको रिमूव करने के लिए वापस से सेम प्रोसेस करनी पड़ेगी जो प्राइमरी की के लिए की थी आपने. राइट क्लिक करो, प्राइमरी की पे क्लिक करो तो वो रिमूव हो जाएगा. You can set the auto value to yes, so base can automatically increase the value for each new vector. Okay. Tomorrow we will be show the practical of the primary key, as I am not installing the Java properties environment here. So I have to be download it first. So if you have a query, you can ask me.